Dare to perfect your vision in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where cutting-edge laser systems for less invasive treatments come to life in the hands of skilled medical minds such as Fotona, the world's leading manufacturer of advanced laser devices, who has been at the forefront of laser technology for more than 50 years. Today, Fotona is one of the fastest-growing high-tech developers of innovative laser systems for applications in medicine and dentistry, working closely with top universities and research centers around the globe.
At Fotona, we are committed to delivering to the medical community highest performance, best-made laser systems in the world. It is our goal that when doctors and patients choose Fotona, they choose perfection. We cover a wide variety of medical specialties and employ a most experienced and educated workforce with over 20 PhDs just in R&D. This enables us to lead the industry with constant technical innovations and as well by introducing minimally invasive yet very effective medical procedures.
From a company created just 4 years after the invention of the laser to an award-winning producer with patented technological solutions, Fotona takes the industry lead with Red Dot Design Awards, the Aesthetic Industry Awards, and ASLMS Award. With smart solutions that merge two complementary laser wavelengths, it makes medical and dental treatments more efficient and less invasive. By being green, creative and smart, Fotona is an example of the high-performing Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Strive for excellence in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.